Hello, this is David McGlothlin with Kazaruni Law Group. I'm here to talk about the importance of credit reports and how to ensure that your credit report is accurate. There is a law that requires your credit report to be accurate. That's called the Fair Credit Reporting Act. That's the law that governs the situation when and if you can sue concerning errors on your credit. Under that law, it requires that you first dispute any inaccuracies on your credit report directly with the credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They then have 30 days to investigate, and if they don't correct the error at that point, then you can sue. Then you can find a lawyer to sue. And what's great about that law is that law entitles you to three things. That law says that you can sue for actual damages. That's the amount that you were harmed by the inaccuracy on your credit. So if you missed out on that job, if you missed out on that loan, that's you can recover that. The other thing that you're entitled to is statutory damages. If you prove their conduct was willful, you're entitled to up to $1,000 in statutory damages. And then the third thing that you're entitled to is your attorney's fees and costs, meaning that if your attorney is successful in your lawsuit, that whoever they're suing, the credit reporting agencies, Experian, or the original creditors such as Capital One, they're responsible to pay your attorneys. Some of the common errors that you can find on your credit report is a status that's incorrect, such as indicating that your account's been charged off when in fact it hasn't been charged off. The other thing in reviewing your credit report is make sure that each and every account on there is actually your account. It's common for accounts that aren't yours due to a common name to appear on your credit report, or worse, that you're a victim of identity theft and that you didn't open that account. And so those are some of the reasons that you need to review your credit reports. Another situation where we strongly advise consumers to check their credit reports is after a bankruptcy. You filed bankruptcy to get that fresh start, to start over financially, and what's happening at an alarming rate is your credit reports are not getting corrected. And so it's important after the bankruptcy to check your credit report and make sure that all of the debts that were included in your bankruptcy are now reflecting that on your credit report to ensure that you get the fresh start that you're entitled to.